Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening a dedicated Figma file and immediately create frames for components, styles, and tokens so everything stays centralized. Once done, name each frame and align spacing to a grid. This reduces iteration time and prevents messy overrides. Make components using consistent naming and variants. This is critical so that instances swap cleanly. While you set this up, decide whether to use one file per library or split by category. Pick the approach that matches your team size and release cadence. Now you convert frames into components and create variants for states like primary, hover, and disabled so instances behave predictably. At the same time, define text, color, and effect styles and map spacing or sizing to tokens for consistent reuse. Make sure to use auto layout and constraints to keep components responsive across breakpoints. As you work, regularly group related components and maintain a clear naming hierarchy. This makes publishing and consumption intuitive for designers and engineers, who will finish by publishing the file as a team library and include a short changelog or version note so collaborators know what changed. You should then notify the team and test instances in live files to reveal detached styles or unintended overrides. This is where most breakages show up. If you find conflicts, rename or merge duplicates consistently and instruct teammates to update instances from the library. Finally, iterate. Publish small, frequent updates and communicate breaking changes clearly so adoption stays smooth.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.